Discover a desktop software for seamless lead extraction from Google Maps, benefiting entrepreneurs and marketers with powerful tools. Looking for a way to get unlimited leads from Google Maps? This video introduces a powerful desktop software that makes lead extraction seamless. Discover how entrepreneurs and marketers can benefit from this tool. Meet the desktop software designed for fast, reliable, and easy lead extraction. This tool is your answer to effortless lead generation. It simplifies the process for entrepreneurs and marketers. No more tedious manual searches. This software does the heavy lifting for you. Simply enter a keyword and location, then hit search. Instantly, business data appears at your fingertips. Names, addresses, phone numbers, websites, and emails are all available. The process is quick and efficient. Watch your potential client list grow. Invest once and reap endless benefits. Enjoy no monthly fees with unlimited searches. This software offers a one-time purchase. It's a cost-effective solution for businesses. Say goodbye to recurring expenses. Animated visuals show satisfied users engaging with the software. Modern typography highlights key points. Upbeat music sets a positive tone. Users find the interface intuitive and helpful. Experience the satisfaction of efficient lead generation. Download the software now and start scraping unlimited leads today. Take advantage of this offer to enhance your business. The opportunity for growth is at your fingertips. Don't wait any longer. Start your lead generation journey now. From searching to extracting, the software simplifies your lead generation process. Entrepreneurs and marketers can now easily find potential clients. With no monthly fees and unlimited searches, it's a smart investment. Download today and transform your business. Begin your journey to unlimited leads now. Download link is in the description below.